Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to change the wheel in the single port 5-watt illuminator. The first thing you're going to do is remove the 4 screws. Next thing you're going to do is slide the front cover off of it, and you're going to expose the wheel there. So you can take your finger and rotate it to where you can get to the set screw on the wheel, and you're going to loosen it. And there's also one on the other side as well, so you'll turn it with your finger and loosen that one as well, and the wheel will come off. You'll slide it right out. And you'll have these 2 screws here, and you want to remove those. Take your wheel off. Now you want to make sure that this tab is facing out of the illuminator, so when you put it on, make sure the tab is in line with your color wheel piece there. You can put the screws back. Now you're going to take the wheel and you're going to slide it in there, put it back in place. Set the set screws again. Now you'll have to turn it with your finger to get to the other side. Put your cover back. This back on it. Plug it back in. Turn it on. And now we have color. It's pretty simple, and thank you very much.